Hey, what up guys? I am Eric's Drive and today I'm going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how to edit the vocals to then mix them on a song and make them sound vibrant and clear, you know? So this is my music. It's called Is This Love? For me. I composed it and everything. So yeah. This is just the idea of how it sounds, you know? And these are just the raw vocals with no edits, with anything. Just for you to get an idea. And I'm going to go for the vocals stem, and the first edit that I'm gonna do is the fruity limiter. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna level all the waves of the vocals so they are kinda on the same volume, you know, because some waves are going to be super high, some others very low, so the fruity limiter is going to make everything more seamless. The second thing that I do is I just go to the EQ and I'm going to the preset for the 40 plus 18. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to grab this last purple note and I'm going to take all of the bass, all of the bassy sounds that are extra to the vocals and that are just making noise, you know. So what this makes, it makes the bass frequencies out and makes the vocals more clear. And now I'm just playing around a little bit and seeing where the right position is, so there is not that much bass but I still sound human, you know. So it's gonna be around 140 Hertz of frequency. The next plugin is going to be soundgoodizer. And on soundgoodizer you have to play with the different versions. You have the A, B, C, D, and for me, for my voice, I find that the C is the one that sounds the best. And then on the knob I just turn it around 2/3 or 1/4 of the song. To me it's how it sounds better, but for you, you need to play a little bit more to see how it fits better to your vocals. So the fourth plugin is the reverb. And on the reverb I actually tend to get the bigger circle and I tend to get the wetness lower. So I just want a little bit of the wetness and then I just want my voice to sound more dynamic, more wide, you know. So I always go for this wide circle with very little wetness. But then again, every single voice is different, so you have to do it how it's best for your voice. You can feel the wetness. It helps, you know, it helps the voice blend to the instrumental. Still stuck with those words you were telling me last night. Okay, so that's good. And the fifth one is going to be rvox, and this is the only plugin that I actually had to buy. But let me tell you, this plugin is one of my favorite ones, is one of the best ones. It was around I think $20, and what you're going to do, you grab this and you just push it to around 7 something to 10, and it's going to make your voice much brighter and more vibrant and to stand out in the song. I love rvox, is one of my favorite ones. So the next one is going to be Maximus, and I'm going to the preset and I'm going to go to the slam dunk and yeah, so I just get it, and then on this little knob that I'm showing you, if you want, you can take like 10% out, or you can just leave it full. So it depends on how you prefer it. Sometimes I sound a little bit more robotic if I have the full on, so I just take like 10%. But if you want, you can just leave it full. Seventh plugin is going to be the delay, and on the delay I just want to be like a little bit, so I'm going to bring all the wetness down, and then here on this last knob I'm just going to get it to half, or a little bit under half, so there is still some reverb, but or delay I mean, but it's very soft, so your voice doesn't feel as lonely, you know. And now all I'm going to do is just do some adjustments on all the plugins. So now I'll just play the song. Yeah, this is without any plugins, raw. This is raw, just for the comparison. Yeah, and now I'm going to add all the plugins so you see the difference. See, the difference is crazy. So now I just adjust all the plugins on the way that I like it and how it sounds best to me, you know. But this is going to be the tutorial for the main vocals. And now for the back vocals, all I do is just to I basically just copy paste all the plugins from the main vocals to the back vocals, and then I will be giving some adjustments to the plugins in the back vocals, so the back vocals also sound the way that I want, because some people they want the back vocals to sound certain way. I like to use a lot of back vocals in my music, so I'm just trying to balance now the main vocals with the back vocals and make everything sounds as it belongs in the same music. So I just copy paste all the plugins, and now I'm going to be just adjusting a little bit.
Flies right into my life, make me realize that I'm in love with you. And style. Will you be the one who's art is sharing of my soul? Where pain and tears have no place to grow on the garden of our love. Will you be the one who brings butterflies right into my life, make me realize that I'm in love with you and style. Will you be the one whose art is sharing of my soul? Where pain and tears have no place to grow on the garden of our love.
So basically this was a tutorial. I hope that I helped somebody out there. My music is It Love? You can find it everywhere else. So best luck with your next projects. Bye!